be honest, it's been a while since I've been on the highway on a bike. I want to start doing like group rides, meets and stuff around Connecticut, Mass area. Get my other bike registered tomorrow, and then my buddy Dan rides that one. So that's cool. Fully. Woo! Rear brake. Shout out to you, Ram. But I talked to my buddy Ram the other day, and he was like, "Yo, you should talk." And I'm like, yeah, like I want to, but I don't know what the fuck to talk about. So it's like, I don't know. Like trust me, like I want to engage with you guys, but honestly, I have no idea what the fuck to say. So if you guys have like questions or whatever, if you randomly happen to watch my videos, I appreciate it. I really do. And I'm gonna start like a subscriber board on my channel that hopefully at the end of every video, the goal is for it to get longer. Like it's gonna start off like I'm gonna do a card for everybody. Put your name on it. Give me like a description about you, and I'll put it on your thing. Like let's say we'll go with Ram for instance. We'll go like Ram. Fucking best arc tamer breeder that I know. Like something like that. Something silly, but something that like we can remember you by, and then hopefully the community will remember you too, you know? Let's get it. This guy is chilling, bro. That car is sick though. Like that classic. It's a Mercedes. Old school Mercedes too. The Beamer's out today. Yeah, I don't have any mirrors on my bike. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is, you know. I'm not too bothered by it. This guy's got a headset on. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but he damn old school. Don't even got a radio on that shit. That's like old school right there. Dog, this. Put it back in. Ah, baby. Ah. Ah, girl. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on the highway today. Fuck it. Why not? That's a sick Miata, bro. Hey yo, Aaron, shout out to you, bro. My boy, Aaron. Hey, Aaron. The Miata god, dog. That bro races Miatas, dude. Sick, bro. Yeah, I might go Farmington. Oh, it's so nice out there. Hey, I missed him! Damn it! Shit, man! It's been so far away, but it's not. I see motorbikers do that shit all the time. What the fuck is that, bro? See fucking fast lane DJs and that shit, bro. It makes me laugh, bro. It's so funny. I'm like, what are you clowns doing? What are we doing out here? As soon as I put it down, watch. Called it. Yeah, I need to, no, fuck, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go back road. But Route 10 is a lot of fun, but, you know, we'll go this way. Oh, there's a bug in my eye. Bug in my eye! Woo! I got it out, though. We're alright. We're alright. Put the visor down behind the tanker. Rear brake. Rear brake. I literally had that bug like crawl on my eye, dog. Yeah, it's as close as it goes. Alright. Shout out USPS, bro. Damn, she's screaming. Woo! We hooning. Almost redlined it at like 16,000. Hey, that's a nice color Audi right there. That car's out nice. I said nice. On the brakes. Woo! Bow, 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 bow. Again, shout out More Mafia, Chris Moore for hooking up the tune, you know? We got tune on tune, girl. It is hot as shit under my feet, bruh. It is hot as hell. This bike is warm now. She is warm now. It is not 8:41, by the way. My clock is always wrong, and I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna fix it. Dude, sick ride, bro. That Beamer is nice, bro. I should have took that route towards like Waterbury-ish. Oh, that road would be fun as hell to rip on, bro. That road, there was no one on it. Again, shout out USPS. The United States Postal Service. Not warm up the tires on the ground on the sand here. Huh? No blinker, bro? Come on, man. That's fucked up. That's messed up. No blinker. How the fuck am I supposed to know where you trying to go? You got no damn blinker on. You would interrupt my fun. You bastard. They don't like bikers. That's my conclusion. They don't like us. Ooh, that Pontiac. Alright, turn the music up a little bit. I don't have the 360 cam on. I don't know if I should put it on or not. Oh.